The human brain is the most complicated organ. While we have almost revealed the secrets of the human anatomy, the brain remains something very difficult to examine. Here are 3 facts about the way we think in our brains that you probably do not know. Number 3. The human brain is designed to think that the world is fair and bad things happen only to bad people, while good things happen only to good people. We are made to believe that people get what they deserve. It might sound weird, but when you think about it, people often blame the victims of misfortune, in order to protect themselves from feeling vulnerable. Number 2. We do what we are told to. People are socialized to be obedient from an early age, and it is why we feel compelled to follow the orders of authority figures even when this is in conflict with our moral values. In an experiment by Stanley Milgram, 100% of the participants applied an electric shock of 300 volts on a person, because they were told to. And not only that, 65% of the participants agreed to apply a shock of 450 volts. Of course, the person who was screaming while being electrified was an actor. Here is what Stanley said after the experiment: with numbing regularity, good people were seen to knuckle under the demands of authority and perform actions that were callous and severe. Number 1. Memory does not have a place. Carl Lashley proved this. He wanted to find a specific place in the brain responsible for the memory. He put rats in a maze, and they learned to find their way through the maze to reach a food reward. Then Lashley performed surgery on the rats to remove specific but different parts of the cerebral cortex from each one. After this, the rats were placed again in the maze to test their memory and learning abilities. Lashley found that no matter which part of the brain was removed, the rat's memory of the task remained. He came to the conclusion that the memory trace is not localized in a particular place, but distributed evenly throughout the cerebral cortex of the brain.